A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You're ready for all of the terrible something them we are going to happen to the earth? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button. Drop one comment below now and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, may I beg you subscribe now and click the notification bell too, so that none of what I go on right here so we miss you. Today, may I go read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 8 from verse 6 to verse 13. After that, the 7 angel them, we have the 7 trumpet them, get ready to blow them. The first angel blow film trumpet, and hail and fire mix up with blood, get fling down from the sky upon the earth, and one out of the 3 part of the earth get burned up. One out of every tree of the tree them where did a grow, and all of the green grass get burned up too. When the second angel blow film trumpet, sitting like one big mountain where catch a fire get fling down in the sea. And if you split up the sea in a 3 part, one out of the 3 part them did turn in a blood. And one out of every 3 sitting where did live in the sea dead off. And one out of every 3 ship where did dip on the sea get mashed up. When the third angel blow film trumpet, one big star where did a burn like fire drop from the sky. And if you split up the river water them and the spring water them in a 3 part, the star did drop on 1 part of them. The star did name wormwood. So 1 out of 3 part of the water did turn bitter. So it did kill off a whole heap of people when they drink it. When the 4th angel blow film trumpet, sit and lick the sun and the moon and the star them. And if you split them up in a 3 part, 1 part of them turn dark. And if you split up the day and the night them in a 3 part, 1 part of them they have no light. While me did a watch, me hear one eagle we did a fly high in the sky, a call out in a one loud voice, say, "Trouble for no, trouble for no, trouble for everybody will live on the earth. Say what going happen when the next 3 angel them blow for them trumpet, and them a get ready for blow them." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.